When Stephen Bonner was appointed to fill the judicial position vacated upon the death of Associate District Judge Alan J. Couch, he had some pretty big shoes to fill. Alan Couch had been a leader in the state of Oklahoma in the area of juvenile law for over 35 years, and he started the first CASA program in Oklahoma. Over the past 7 years, Stephen Bonner has proven himself to be up to the task of carrying on the torch of quality care in the juvenile court arena. Through his dedicated work and due to his compassionate spirit, the children who are his wards have been better served. Following his appointment, Judge Bonner actively sought out opportunities to learn more about CASA and how the advocates could assist him in his court decision-making. He attended several CASA staff trainings statewide and never hesitated to ask questions of the CASA staff regarding the program. Now, Judge Bonner has provided training to over 200 advocates, giving up hours of personal time, and each time volunteers comment on how much they enjoy his section of the training. Judge Bonner has positively impacted the lives of hundreds of children and is determined not to give up on the youth entering his courtroom. He has also taken an innovative role in providing better services and supervision for families involved in his court that are plagued with substance abuse problems. Through his strong leadership and diligent efforts to solicit funding, the Cleveland County Family Drug Court was formed and began its operation in March of 2009. Parents involved in deprived child cases who suffer from substance abuse problems now, thanks to Bonner's work, have the opportunity to participate in intensive services and bi-weekly drug court reviews, with drug testing provided free of charge. Though Judge Stephen Bonner has been on the bench for a relatively short period of time, he has already made crucial impacts on behalf of the children he serves.
It's very humbling, but it's very rewarding to feel like that there is a good segment of the community that respects what I'm doing, which is a hidden part of the community, because all of the deprived cases are closed. Whenever we do jury trials, those jurors can't disclose who the parties are, what's happened in any direct way, and that's for the protection of the children, so that the community doesn't realize that we've got over 400 kids in DHS custody just in Cleveland County, and I'm handling about 27 cases involving kids in DHS custody every week. Oh, I make presentations to each one of the CASA trainings, and I tell them they're extremely important. They're the eyes and ears, as far as I'm concerned, for the court, because they do not advocate for a position such as for a parent or for DHS or for the state. I say they are always looking out for the best interest of the child or children, and I expect them to speak up on behalf of the kids. I always read their reports, and I don't always call on them, but I always tell them, even in the training, that if there's something that I have missed or they feel is important, I want to hear from them, because they do a lot of investigation, a lot of work with the families, and it's important. And they're trying to do what the primary purpose is to begin with, is try to help reunify these families and help the children, but try to be sure that the children are in a safe and loving and caring environment. I wish I had CASAs in every case.